Hello and welcome to another update on silver. We are tracking here on the silver chart still a potential 5-wave move to the upside, and this is still a potential, right, in orange. Especially it's made a bit of a comeback today with this small move up from the Thursday lows. We want to talk about that because, I mean, I was leaning towards yellow. Here for a wider wave 4, and that is still very, very likely. And to be honest, we cannot clearly favor orange, which is indicating that a larger degree fourth wave bottomed here in April. I cannot clearly favor orange until we really get those 5 waves completed as per our orange scenario 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I can start to favor orange, which confirms that a larger degree fourth wave bottomed in April. We can then add support for the wave 2, and that would be a classic Elliott wave setup. Now, this orange scenario looks a bit distorted. That fourth wave that started there on the 23rd of April is very, it's not too deep, but it's very stretched out, as you can see. And the fifth wave to the upside, I mean, it might have started, but that wasn't so clear until earlier yesterday. But now we have an initial signal, and those are the things that, you know, when we're tracking these structures that get very interesting, when we're tracking the microstructures and so on. These are kind of the signals we are waiting for. We have a nano, a micro 5-wave move up from the low labeled circle wave 4. So that means based on these nanostructures, it can shift probabilities because in the yellow count, we shouldn't really see 5 waves up at the moment. So, I mean, yellow is still possible, but in terms of likelihood, I think orange has just become a little bit more likely. Now, that will depend on something. The orange scenario, as you can probably see here, has formed a bit of a rally, and this does look like a nano, like a micro 5-wave move up. Could still stretch a little higher, but if we now get a pullback, I'm definitely going to watch this very closely. The support zone at the moment for any wave 2 pullback in orange, which would be wave 2 of that wave 5 to the upside, the support area is between $31.85 and $32.26. So this is the standard support area that needs to hold to keep the overall upside pressure intact. For now, we have an initial 5-wave move up. Again, it's really too small actually to be reliable, but it is best we've got at the moment. And if we now see a nice pullback into this support area, maybe over the coming sessions, then it could be a nice setup. On the, as you know, just to explain, on the gold chart, I'm watching for a B-wave pullback, for example. So that adds up quite well. But yeah, it would be this. It is important to understand the higher this wave 1 goes in orange, the higher the wave 2 support area will go as well, because it will be adjusted with the price. So first indication, we have a local top there in orange wave 1 would be a break below $32.43. So yeah, and when we can form a higher low in this support box, then the third wave should take us towards $33, $34. And yeah, I mean, more than, it should go to $33.70. So nearly 34 next, yeah, in this third wave, then another 4 and another 5, and then we have this 5-wave move from the April low completed. That's what I'm tracking for now. That being said, any break below micro support, I mean, needless to say, will clearly indicate the bears are taking the lead. That's the update on silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you are interested in additional updates, then make sure you check out our stocks membership as well. You can find the link in the description. In this membership, we now also include gold and silver updates. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.